2019 Ford Expedition. We'll be doing the oil cooler. This is the part right here. Oh, let's see what part number will be. I'll also put it in the description. Not sure. I guess the part number will be right here. Made in China, of course, but I will put it in the description. Oil cooler, of course. You can get the hoses off from up top. Might be easier. You'll have two hoses on it. This is your oil cooler right up here. I already got. Just take your oil filter off. That's all you got to do is take the oil filter off. You got a 14mm Allen right in the middle. See it right in the middle? Right in the middle of that housing. The 14mm Allen, and you'll break that loose, and that center stud will come out, which is threaded on both sides, and you got your two hoses on there right there. You have to undo your hoses, and we're gonna take that off here in just a second, but I'm gonna show you the brand new one just to give you an idea exactly what I'm talking about. And like I said, I will put the part number in the description. So this is what it looks like. And of course you got your so it's going to come out right here. It's got like 14mm, and you're going to set it up right there. So we're going to go take it off. If you got a 14mm Allen socket, I do, but mine's, like I said, is too short. Just get you a big one like this and break it loose. And you're gonna be breaking loose the middle of it, just like that. So we'll just pull that out now because it's pretty much hand tight. We'll pull that out. I got the other lines kind of loose, but I know where they're going. So I'll be taking off the hoses on it real quick and then putting on the new one. Would show you, but I don't have 3 arms. And you just make sure that it don't leak. Try to get you down there best I can, but it's kind of hard from up here. But anyway, make sure it don't leak. Have your hoses on good. And that's pretty much it. Not too bad. Thanks for watching.